Hey, it's Garrison, and this is my Sprint 2 demonstration video. So here's the circuit so far for Sprint 2. Uses an H-bridge, DC motor, servo motor, a little button, and a photoresistor. So let's show how this works, and a tilt switch as well. Okay, so here's the code. It's nothing too crazy, but I'm gonna start by demoing my first deterrent method, which is if the user opens, or the theft opens the box, it's gonna spray ink from a fan. So it does this using a photoresistor, and it's already been calibrated to the box's like ambient light. So when it's opened, it will detect that it's been opened. So we pull up the serial monitor, and okay. So it uses an arm disarm system with this button, and it's also going to use an IR remote as well, but my IR receiver is broken, so I'm going to get a new one from Buddy. So right now all that works is the button. So when I press the button, it says button press, and now the system is armed. So these readings are the readings from the photoresistor, and if I hold up a light to it, the fan actually starts. It's laying on the ground right now, so it can't spin, but oh shit. There it goes. So, and this is gonna spray ink all over the user. Okay, so now I'm gonna demo my second deterrent method, which is the bomb. It's the mortar that's gonna go off. So it's gonna use this servo motor, and there's going to be a match. I haven't attached it yet. There's gonna be a match attached right here, and there's gonna be a match box, kind of like the strip on the side of the box. And it's gonna flick across that match position and this is a high torque servo, so it should be able to light it up. And then the match is gonna light, it's gonna move to a, where the fuse is of the mortar, and it's gonna blow it up. So I'll demo how this is gonna work. Obviously I don't have all the components together, but everything is working just fine. So the serial monitor is on, so I'm gonna press the button to arm it. It's gonna say, yeah, button pressed, it's armed. These are all the readings from the photoresistor. So now here's the tilt switch. So when the tilt switch is tilted, the package is picked up. As you can see, the readings have stopped and this delay has started. So this countdown has started, and it should be any second. Let me show you the servo, and bam, there it goes. So the servo flicked across, and it should have printed, let's see if I go up. It's going too fast, but it should have printed box stolen. So yeah, there's all the components working together. So that is my two deterrent methods, this fan that sprays ink and this servo that's gonna light a mortar. And then my two readings were this tilt pin and this photoresistor. My button arming system was this, or my arming system was this button, but it's gonna be changed to a button and an IR remote when I get my IR thing fixed. Okay, so my next steps are gonna be starting on the kind of construction of the box. Right now I don't have the box like fully together, and I don't have the metal sheet that's going to protect all the components from the mortar that's going to be blowing up, but that's going to be my next step. Also fixing my IR receiver so that my arm/disarm system can work to its fullest. I also have to get the matches and the matchbox, which shouldn't be hard. I can get those from like a store and then tape it onto the side of the box. But other than that, I have pretty much everything I need together. This fan is probably gonna be mounted somewhere towards the opening. That way it's like actually sprays ink at the user and doesn't just like kind of spray it all over the box. But overall, that's pretty much all I have left to do. So